Good morning, student. So, student, now today we see task 6, that is a simplifying. It is on page number 72. So, here problem 1 is given, but student, you skip that problem. Their answer is 483, but you can't understand how to solve this one. Okay, so you skip that first one. Now we see second one. Now we have to simplify. Simplify means whatever they given, we have to do that. That is 219 plus 503. So now we add it. 9 plus 3, 12. In 12, 2 is here and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 1, 2. Next, 5 plus 2, how much it is? 7. Now whatever is given here, it will goes upside. Why upside? Because this one and this one we add. Now from this, whatever sum is there, from that sum we have to subtract this one. 722 minus 398. So now subtract it. 2 minus 8, we can't. So we take borrow from these two. Here is a 1 and here it will be 12. So 12 minus 8, 4. Now 1 minus 9 we can do it? No. Then again we have to take carry from 7. Here is a 6 and here it will be 11. Now 11 minus 9, it is 2. And 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. So this is the answer of first one. What is the answer? Right here. 324. Next one. Third. Now we see this one. Again we write like this. Three minus 0, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. And 5 minus 1, 4. Now it will be go up and in this we will add this 32. Plus 32. Now this one you have to write properly. Why? Because this is 2-digit number. Start from ones place. So 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. And 4 write as it is. Now whatever answer is there, from that answer we have to subtract this one. Now 5 minus 6, no. So we take borrow from 4. So here is a 13 and here will be, sorry. Here it become 3 and here it become 15. So now 15 minus 6. So how much it is? 15 minus 6. How much? From 6 to 15 count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is a 9. Now 4 minus 3 we can do it? No. So here it becomes 3 and here it is a 13. Now 13 minus 7. So how much? 13 minus 7. After 7 means from 8 to 13 count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is a 6. And 3 minus 1, 2. So answer is 2690. Now next one. 2 minus 9 we can do it? No. So here it become 12 and here is a 2. So 12 minus 9, 3 is there. Now 2 minus 5 we can do it? No. Then again take borrow from this 6. Here is 5 and here it become 12. So 12 minus 5, that is 7. And 5 minus 1, 4. Now this one goes up. Now 8 plus 3, 11. 11, 1 is here, 1 will be carry. Now only remember what is sign given here, subtraction is there, that's why we given here subtraction. Now what is given? Addition, that's why we give here addition. So now 7 plus 6, it is 13 and 13 plus 1, 14. 4 is here, 1 will be carry. Now 4 plus 2, 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now this answer will go here. And what is remaining now? This one. And what is given here? Subtraction. So from this we have to subtract this one. Now 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 5 we can do it? No. So here it become 14 and here become 6. Now 14 minus 5, it is 9. And next is 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So what is the answer here? 391. Now we see next sum. So student, now see fifth one. So student, in fifth problem also it is like first one only. See here small number is there. From this small we can't subtract big number. Yes, we can do it, but you can't understand this one. Higher class student, it will be, they can understand easily, but for you it is very hard. So first and fifth one we will skip. Okay, first and fifth we will skip. So now we see sixth one. Okay, so this is the sixth problem. Now subtract this one. So 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 4 we can subtract it? No. So here become 12 and here is a 3. So 12 minus 4, 8 and 3 minus 3, 0. Now this will go up. That is 83 plus 649. So 9 plus 3, how much it is? It is 12. So 2 is here, 1 will be carry. 8 plus 4, 12. And 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 is here, 1 will be carry. 6 plus 1, 7. Now this is answer. Now from this we will subtract this number. Because see, up to here we completed. Now subtract it. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 5, no. So we take borrow from 7. Here is a 6 and here become 13. So 13 minus 5, how much it is? It is 8. And 6 minus 2, 4. So what is the answer? 480. Okay. So this is the simplify. So how many sums we skip? First and fifth. That sum we can solve, student. Okay, but you can't understand. You are very small for that sum. So now your today's homework. Page number 72. Question number 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. So your first and fifth we skip it. So you have to complete this in your notebook and textbook. So that is your maths homework. So that's all for today. Good day and thank you.